bases feet in place, fly our locks, and voila! So, as always, with loads of spotters, Carlis and Andrew, of some not slippery at all floor, trying to do some stuff, like mad stuff, just playing around. Yeah. You might see a clip here, somewhere around here. So, acro grip, and from Titibasana, Andrew. Not taxi, Titibasana. Like this. Putting hold from our side. Yeah, from here. Yeah, like this. So you can understand that's pretty dangerous.
Is my head still in? How about now?
Yeah.
Okay.
What about that?
Should we go back?
Yeah, Titibasana. Yeah. Strong arms. Legs and going back. Yeah. So once again, Titibasana with acro grip. Then bases feet in place, fly our locks, and voila! Coming back, acro grip, strong arms, and landing down. Easy as this. Just never fall on your face. It might not feel as before.
Yeah.
Also, some trust issues afterwards, I believe.
Especially on this carpet.
Yeah, if you have something like
Like plastic carpet.
yeah, that's why we use this super slippery. So we could slide with huge energy onto this.
Slide.